Didn't the guy from the hotel say it was by the lake?
Yeah, he did, but I thought...
Hon, I need to see the flamingo garden.
Well, of course we're going to see the flamingo
I
garden.
love flamingos so
I love
much.
flamingos too, but first we got to find them.
Okay.
Hey, let's ask this guy over here, yeah?
That guy?
Yeah.
All right.
Excuse me, sir. Excuse me, sir. Excuse me.
Like an autograph, leave a piece of paper, and when I'm done here, I will sign it. You can come back to pick it up later.
We
were just wondering where the zoo is.
Oh. You need direction?
Yeah. We're actually from out of town.
Oh. I'm actually from out of town myself.
Oh? That's nice. Whereabouts are you from?
You don't recognize me, do you?
I'm sorry, no.
Come on. Come on. Under siege, above the law, hard to kill.
Oh, wait. Are you Tom Cruise?
No, but good answer.
Thanks.
I'm Steven Seagull.
You're Steven Seagull?
Yes, that's right. I am him.
Oh, you're that karate guy, right?
To the layperson, Aikido may seem like a childish karate. However, what you just witnessed here before was an Odoro dance that I created as an infant.
Okay.
Let me ask you something. You ever trained before?
Train?
Yes. Trained. Martial arts, bow staff. Because I would assume somebody who talks to another person like that, like myself, would be trained in something.
Well, I did a little wrestling in high school.
You did.
And I also, what's that other?
Can I laugh in his face?
Sure.
Can I laugh in your face?
No, you cannot.
Well, I'm going to.
No, you're not.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Hey, sweet stuff. Watch this. How do you like that, pal? Does that feel good? Do something about it, pal. Believe it or not, Aikido is practiced in 140 countries. It was in Japan when I started my training at the very early age of 6 months, with the best of the best. According to the founder's philosophy, the main goal of Aikido is to overcome oneself instead of cultivating violence or aggressiveness, as we can clearly see here.
Whoa.
Yeah!
I just remembered. I took some karate when I was 7.
Babe, I didn't know you could fight.
Neither did I. Come on, babe. We have a date at the zoo.
Flamingos.
Hi. Thanks for watching. Subscribe.
Ooh, yeah, get 'em, boys.